good morning from a grey, cloudy, rainy Disneyland for a very exciting Disney California Adventure Day. We only get one day. Get one day! What are you doing? We got one day, so we're going to make the most of it. We have to get Genie again, but it is slightly cheaper. It seems quieter, but we are here a tiny bit later, so we'll see how the day goes. What's you doing? Chaos. My favourite Oswald.
For the room that's
Cars Land. Ooh. Right, let's give this a go. 70 minutes. Hopefully the rain doesn't knock it off. Fingers crossed. See you in several hours.
Radiator Springs.
What do I need to be fast?
You need to look fast. Ka-chow! Ramon!
Du med Photoshop. Tonight you're gonna run it and the commander.
Terrible weather today, like just grey and sad, but we're in Avengers campus, which is also quite grey. But I think the Spider-Man show's about to start, so we're going to see if we can watch that.
There! Spider-Man up here. Like I'm using my made-up name? Well, I have been working out.
One step closer. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ouch! That was not part of the plan. Why? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one.
So we've done, which has been on Soaring, which was Soaring over California, which was a nice little throwback, and now we're doing Web Slingers. So we'll see how we do it. It was an arm workout last time, so probably be the same this time.
Project lead, the brilliant. Oh!
Hey, what's up? I'm Peter Parker, and here at Web we got access to some pretty awesome tech.
But because they are stuck in self-replication mode.
Hey guys, what's up? I hear you have a bug problem. I'm here to help.
You made it. Great. Red level is at exponential danger. You might need some help.
Okay, everybody, open house is canceled.
Wise idea.
We've got to take this so seriously so we can save the Avengers campus.
Cut this thing of you.
So we'll have to put the camera away so we can go flip flip.
Team up to stop the spider bus.
Here's the Disney room.
So we did Spider-Man. Very, very tired after that. My arms are doing it. We're just going on a little walk around Pixar Pier, and then
We're going to Lamplight Lounge for the lobster nachos.
we're gonna have them lobster nachos. And also, we just want to sit down. It's very dark today. Just favourites the famous lobster macaroni. Not macaroni cheese. What is it? Lobster nachos. Oh, it's very bright, but not sunny.
Hold on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Maybe it's teleported to the next tunnel.
At the ground.
No, it's too dark anyway.
Loser buys drinks. Where are you going? Loser buys drinks, yeah? Sound good? You off camera you agreed to winner buys drinks, so I just wasn't gonna play.
And then you said you were going to cheat. So.
I wasn't, I just wasn't gonna play. Okay, well, let's find out. I can't record because it's a very serious game now. Georgia. Who won? I did, but it was very, very close. Oh,
I gave up.
Sorry, I'm there. There we go.
I gave up at the end because my arm hurt too much. It got to that one where it's like, it's just there.
It's the last guy.
And I just, too tired.
Such a tired young lady. So we were going to do the Pixar Battle Around Ferris wheel thing. It's quite a long way for a Ferris wheel, so we're just going to wander. We've got one more lightning lane, then we've kind of done everything in the park, so then we will see what we're going to do. I don't know what we last did, maybe Incredicoaster.
I think it may have been. But
It's continued to be very drizzly.
it's so good.
So not, oh, we're trapped.
We ended up in a line.
We're trapped.
It's the Britishness in us.
No, my hair's gone stupid. Oh, they moved out the way after we went round. We have been just chilled at the couple of the hotels. We got a new jacket for the 100th. Georgia got a hoodie. Woo! For the 2023 hoodie. And now we're heading over to Avengers Campus for something to eat, which we mobile ordered. And then we've got virtual queue for World of Colour.
Yes.
We've got a fast pass thing that we couldn't use on a different ride because it closed, so we can use it on anything. I don't know what we're using it on.
We are undecided between Incredicoaster again, Guardians, and Web Slingers,
Yeah.
I believe.
Yeah, I think so.
All solid choices.
Yeah, I know, and it's one of those things. It's like we've kind of run out of day
Yeah, it's crazy.
But
Today's gone very fast.
It's gone extremely fast, and it's kind of
I'm just a
sad
voice
and
from the
depressing.
abyss right now.
Sorry. But yeah, anyway, we're almost at Avengers, so we're going to get something to eat. Life will be good. Yum, yum, yum. There's the Pim Test kitchen, I think. Done a mobile order, so we're going to pick it up. This is where they have it's where they do the giant stuff, so very exciting. Impossible meatball. And a pimini. And a freestyle drink. Hello. So it's doing that rain that like spits.
Misty rain.
It's a constant rain. It's very annoying.
Constant misty rain.
It doesn't just rain. It just goes bleh.
Makes you wet.
Yeah, but we're waiting for World of Colour. One. New show, never seen it before. We're down by the water, so we're gonna get wet. We've done the fun wheel. Yeah, I know. We've done the fun wheel. We did Incredicoaster. And obviously we got something to eat in Marvel.
My greatest reward is to have the public appreciate and accept what I've done all these years. That is a great reward.
One man, one dream. 100 years ago, Walt Disney set ripples of happiness and imagination in motion. He showed us how little ripples can become great waves. It just takes one.
A dream that's calling out.
Hope lighting up that dark.
A single act of love.
Just imagine all the ways that it could start.
You'd be the one to start the
Ocean, stand alone, stir the ocean, be the hand that reaches out to the unknown. Sometimes just see the ripples watch them turn to waves. Change.
kind of new possibilities open up.
I have got to teach you about food.
You know how to fix it. Listen to Giles.
I'd forgotten how much I hate space travel.
Simba? He's alive. It is time.
World of Colour one?
Was fantastic. I thought the segues from each section was a bit strange.
They
like,
just faded out.
like
didn't they?
Moana to Marvel was a bit.
Yeah, you'd maybe think
weird
Star Wars and
kind of thing,
Marvel.
yeah.
Yeah, a lot of them did just like fade to black and then start again. So to me, the pacing was a little bit
Or it'd
off.
be like a very intense colour and then they just be like, right, so this is red, so this is angry, so this is Marvel, this is superheroes. Like,
Yeah.
That's the way they like link it.
Yeah, I prefer the normal World of Colour. I didn't think I liked that one enough until probably the Marvel section. The Marvel section towards the end I really enjoyed, and then besides the weird like half ending where it ended but then it didn't end.
Yeah.
But apparently they've already changed that because too many people think it ends, which it 100% felt like it ended, so yeah.
Yeah, the original like pre-ending before the ending is a better ending than the actual ending.
When it says one across the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was great, and I really appreciate them putting Walt Disney into it.
Yeah,
and
that was really nice. Like
and yeah,
there's like a heartstrings moment.
definitely. The 60th anniversary of Disneyland had a really good World of Colour with Walt very present. So it kind of gave those sort of vibes, but yeah, it's still super rainy. We're going to try and get on a couple extra rides. It's very busy. We'll see what happens. So my cousin and her boyfriend arguing over over which to go on, Guardians or Spider-Man. So we have 25 minutes of our day at DCA, and then we sadly have no more Disneyland left. So the fireworks are going off. I don't know what just happened.
Doing rock, paper, scissors, for which
Oh, alright, okay. What's going on? I don't care.
Like a virtual reality headset and play games out. He's gonna find me.
Hello. So we spent an hour
wandering around World of Disney.
World of Disney. We're now, besides Disney California Adventure and Disneyland, with the 100th anniversary music in the background. And have you had a good trip?
I've had a lovely trip.
It's
My
gone-
feet have not.
Yeah, we were all just saying about how bad our feet feel. Yeah, we've had a great time.
Yes, we've like crammed so much into 3 days.
Yeah.
It's bizarre, but
Yeah,
we
and-
managed to do everything.
Definitely.
Near enough.
Yeah, I would have liked more time, especially with DCA, but it's like, we now live on the West Coast for the next year at least, so there's no...
West Coast is the best coast.
Nothing can stop us now.
I don't know how.
So we just want to say thank you very much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing because we are growing our new channel. We've also started blogs, which George has been absolutely smashing. We're trying our best.
We're trying our best
We
to
hope
be
you,
our best.
Yeah, we've got lots of videos. As should you. We've got lots of videos, blogs, galleries, Instagram is always active, so yeah, please go and hit everything up, TikTok, everything's linked below, as well as all of our affiliate links in case you want to treat yourself to some HelloFresh or get yourself an Uber, and it then helps us out too when we're traveling. So
please.
yeah, thanks so much for watching, see you later, bye.
Bye. Please like and subscribe. It funds drinking.
You demon child.